and good afternoon, everyone. We're excited about this new Eclipse Cross for a lot of reasons. I've personally been working on this vehicle for nearly 5 years, so I'm pleased to show it to you all today. First, the demand for crossovers is rapidly growing here in the US, and this is one of the most distinctive CUVs on the market. As Yano-san pointed out, it builds on the Mitsubishi Motors heritage of stimulating design and technological innovation. In fact, this new crossover has some unique performance, safety, and connectivity features that make the driving experience both confident and inspiring. Yano-san also mentioned the design concept that was inspired by a powerful, muscular athlete. And like any great athlete, the performance is only as good as its heart. And that's where the Eclipse Cross new 1.5-liter direct injection turbo engine comes in. An all-new powertrain that provides strong torque and acceleration while balancing fuel efficiency. The Eclipse Cross also features an all-new version of our exclusive Super All-Wheel Control system for dynamic handling and driving confidence in all weather and road conditions. But that's just the beginning, because this new vehicle comes with 7 features that are new to the Mitsubishi brand. Features that really help the Eclipse Cross stand out in this segment. I'm sure you noticed the color, premium red diamond paint. This is the result of a newly developed process for ultra high intensity and brightness. It also features a new dual pane sliding panoramic roof. The innovations continue inside the vehicle as well, including a thin, high-resolution display on top of the instrument panel, like the horizon indicator on an aircraft. For easier operation of that display while driving, we've included a new touchpad controller. And I'm pleased to introduce another terrific new feature, a full-color head-up display, conveying critical safety messages and driving information strategically positioned close to the line of sight so you don't have to avert your eyes from the road. In the back, we've added a new comfort feature as well, heated rear seats. We didn't stop at comfort. We made powerful inroads with connectivity as well. Beginning with Eclipse Cross, we're introducing Mitsubishi Connect. This provides key comfort and convenience functions with a new mobile app. The feature helps owners control and communicate with the vehicle via smartphone. We're providing a 2-year subscription, which includes remote climate control, remote locks, lights, and horn, automatic collision notification and stolen vehicle assistance, and car finder and parental controls, such as speed alert, geofence, and curfew alert. This new Eclipse Cross is also available with a complete portfolio of advanced safety features, including blind spot warning with rear cross traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, multi-view camera system, lane departure warning, and forward collision mitigation. The 2018 Eclipse Cross is a distinctive new vehicle for our brand. It offers crossover buyers spirited, dynamic styling, inspired driving characteristics, advanced technology, a refined interior, plus several all-new Mitsubishi features.
私たち検査部門は車の外観検査、原業務、走行検査、さまざまな検査を行っています。日々進化し続ける車に対して
着剤は、完成した車ではお客様には、見えないところはありますが、より高い操縦安定性を実現するために、剛性が向上します。一度乗っていただいて、体感してみてください。
新型エクリプスクロスに新しく PHEV が追加されました。私たちが一台一台しっかりと作り込んだ新型エクリプスクロス PHEV を市場で体感していただき、ぜひその良さを感じ取ってください。また、もしもの災害時でも電源として利用可能な用途の高い車としてお勧めいたします。
世界に誇れるような電気自動車、そして世界に誇れるような安全性、そして品質、それをお客様に一度乗っていただいて、より良い走行自動車ライフを、持っていただければと思います。